Hi, bunny. That bunny is the reason I need this. Him and all his brothers. We can thank the bunny for eating off all the flower heads. Look, all the primroses blooming around the espalier apple tree. These are for my friend Sherry. I love them. Mock orange is unreal. I'm over by the new fence area. Look at this delphinium here. And then this is definitely foxtail lily. The mystery has been solved. There's the poppy. First bloom ever. It's a Princess Victoria Louise poppy. One of them's small, one of them's big, one of them non-existent. But I'll take it. I just sprinkled cayenne pepper, that's what the orange is. It's like pink. It's really pretty. Check out the hibiscus. That's the plum crazy. And this one's dark mystery. Also covered in cayenne pepper. And look at all these delphinium blooms, or going to be blooms. We finally have an echinacea flower. Doesn't get eaten. There's the other one. And look, the daylily has a flower. It's just a plain yellow daylily. Daisies. This is the Earth Angel Rose with cayenne pepper. So we have this light delphinium, light blue, interesting center. And then this one is like purple. Very pretty. I almost missed the flowering of this black lace elderberry. And then look at all these mulberries growing. It's the primrose from Sherry. The salvia is done blooming. I need to deadhead it. That one anyway. The yarrow is mixing with the daisies. Side note, this is the calyx I transplanted from the garage area and it's already spreading. That is awesome. Clearly happy here. The Weigela really filled out. Lots of flowers. It's just green because it's not getting a lot of sun, I'm assuming, to turn the dark color it's supposed to be. It rained all night last night, and I just wanted to show you this area really quick. See, the yarrow is blooming. We have these, like, I guess, true pink, and then light pink, and white. And then the daisies are in full bloom. There's a bud. There's a few buds. The salvia is almost totally spent, but I'm just gonna leave it for now. The daylily is finally blooming. It's just called yellow. And then the echinacea has a bunch of buds. This is one of the hibiscus. I think it's I always forget the name, dark something. And there's another echinacea. This delphinium fell because it should be staked. Look at the miscanthus. That's the one that was by the driveway. And, ta-da, foxtail lily. So cool. It's like slight pink or peach. And those delphinium also fell. That one broke in half. And this is why you have to stake them. But that's okay. And everything is kind of flopped over here. Looks like something ate the delphinium buds off of this one. There's your weeping white spruce right there. And I forget that's an arrow something. Sugar maple, weeping, Alaskan cedar? Question mark. And Henry